G'day guys, Greg here. Today I'm going to be cooking some chicken wings in the air fryer. Now I tell you what, the air fryer really knows how to cook a piece of chicken. Turns out awesome every single time. Well, hopefully. And today I'm just going to be coating my chicken with some butter and sriracha and whacking it in the old air fryer and cooking them up. Shouldn't take too long at all. Let's do it. Now I'm making some sriracha chicken wings today, so I'll need some sriracha. I got some chicken wings, of course I got some butter, oh yeah baby! And I'll be using some garlic as well. So grab yourself a bowl and we'll cut off some butter. It's a bit yellow this stuff, isn't it? It's been in the fridge for like, I can't even remember how long. A few months anyway. So I'll cut that into chunks. It's a bit hard, one-handed. I'll throw that in the old bowl, and this will go into the old nuker. Well, I'll give that no, not 1 second. No, not 1 minute. Oh, look, I'll just put it in and I'll hit start. And after about 30 seconds, let's take a look. Yeah, that'll do. Right. All right, so let's grab some garlic. Now, if you want the real garlic, then you can cut that up, but I'm not a professional. I'm a home cook. We haven't got time for that. So I'll whack some garlic in. And with the sriracha, I'll add in as much as I think it needs, which probably is maybe a 50-50 mix, maybe a little bit less. Stir that around. I'll tell you what, I could drink that right now. In fact, you know what? I think I will. Ah! So let's whack our chicken in. And we'll coat this in the mix. Might even be easier just to use your hands rather than a teaspoon. Alright, well, it's time to start cooking these bad boys. So let's whip out the tray. We'll chuck the chicken in, spread it out nicely. We need some aeration going through, so spread it out. Try and keep them all separate. Stand them up, lie them down, turn them over, spin them around. Doesn't matter. Just keep them off each other. But even then, you don't even have to. That's the beauty of the air fryer. I still have some coagulating stuff here. I'll put some of that on. In she blows. Turn it on, 180 degrees, yep. And we'll make it 20 minutes. You can cook it between 20 and 25. I'll go 20 and I'll come back halfway and spin them around. Alright, it's about half time. So let's whip your chook out. Mate, this kitchen smells so amazing. We'll flip all the bits over, start crisping up the skin. Now I did have a little bit of this stuff left over, so I'll just whack it on if I can find places to put it. Right, so back in the hole, and that'll just keep cooking till it's done. We'll come back then and tuck on in for the old sriracha butter and garlic chicken wings cooked in an air fryer. Taste! Yes! Alright, well here we go. Take a look at that chicken. So that was 20 minutes in there. You can do it for 25 if you like. Mostly if it's bigger pieces of chicken, you'll need 25. But just for the skinny little wings, 20 should be sufficient. So I'll whack this out on the plate. Anyway, I'll just let that cool down a bit and I'll tuck on in. Alrighty, well here we go, the old chicken wings. Can't wait. Right, well let's suss out, see how cooked it is. Right. Oh, there you go. Nicely cooked on the inside there. No pinkness left. And it's still a bit juicy. Let's taste it. Mmm. Oh. Mmm. 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 Mate, what more do you want? There you go, chicken wings in the air fryer, so quick and easy and tasty. Cooked to perfection, what more do you want? Thanks for watching. If you want to see more recipes, remember to show some thumb and love. And I'll see you next time that I cook something. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen.